Our team took on this restaurant project because we saw a scope to promote our local materials, craft through our design. Chef Kitchen is an Indian cuisine restaurant in Dhanmondi, Shat Masjid Road. One interesting feature of this building is that each floor has a different kind of restaurant that cater to young crowds. Previously, this 1000 square feet space was an office that had to be completely transformed into a restaurant by us. When we talk about Indian food, we can associate spices, vibrant colors, and local flavor with it. So, in terms of the concept, the color of Indian spices inspired us a lot. We decided to design a warm, vibrant, and colorful dining space to attract young customers. One of the challenge of this project was budget constraint. So we thought it would be a great idea if we do some adaptive reuse. That is also the main goal of our company. We also want to promote design with zero waste. So we worked with all local materials as well as recycled materials. This way, not only are we celebrating our rich heritage, but also overcoming our challenges. We used many recycle and upcycle elements such as cane chair, bamboo light shade, clay pottery light shades. For the wall decoration, we used reclaimed window shuttering. It created an interesting effect. We also used old printing blocks and batik stamp as an artwork. Some wooden logs were used to make partition. I think one thing to learn from this project is that just because you have a low budget doesn't mean you cannot design a space tastefully. Your idea is key factor here. Through the restaurant design of Chef Kitchens, we got to promote our rich heritage and also reuse, recycle, and contribute to sustainable environment.